Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that when I upload recent notification, you will get it firstly. So let's start this video. And today the notification has come from Panchayat and Rural Development Assam. So they are inviting online application form for the post of Assistant Block Development Officer, Gaon Panchayat Secretary, Tax Collector, Road Moharar, Junior Assistant for these particular posts. So nearly 1004 vacancies are there. So candidates can apply with the qualification of a degree of graduate, and also those are having diploma degree, those can apply for this job. You need to apply for this job before 17th of September, and you can see that the salary is quite good and the experience level is freshers. So all the freshers can apply for this job, and salary is nearly 14,000 to 49,000, and the job location is for Assam, and qualification is any degree required. So you can see that online application will start from 28th of August and it will close on 17th of September, and the age relaxation is given to here. Maximum age limit is 18 to 38 years, and 5 years of relaxation for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC candidates. So you can see the post wise vacancies. Assistant Block Development Officer Panchayat is 39 posts. Assistant Block Development Officer WNC is 46 posts, and Gaon Panchayat Secretary, it is the huge amount. So you can see nearly 578 posts, and also Tax Collector post is 243. So all the educational qualification they are requiring graduate in any discipline from a recognized university except for the post of Gaon Panchayat Secretary. The candidate must be a commerce graduate, and candidate must possess a fair knowledge of any local language either in Assamese or Bengali, in addition to English language for maintenance of office administrator. So you can see the salary details. Assistant Block Development Officer is 14,000 to 49,000, and Gaon Panchayat Secretary is also 14,000 to 49,000, and with addition of these, grade pay will be 7,600, pay band 2 level, and for the tax collector post it is also same, and for the junior assistant post you can see only the grade pay level is differ, but the salary is fixed for all of these 4 posts. So you can see the selection will be based on the written examination, and written examination will be conducted for 100 marks, and it will be done through OMR sheet. Okay, and 100 question will be there, each of 1 mark, and there is negative marking for half mark for each wrong answer, and 3 part will be there: logical reasoning and aptitude, general knowledge and special emphasis on Assam, general English. So however, the post of Gaon Panchayat Secretary, there will be additional part of accountancy, and the duration will be 2 hours. So if you are really interested for this job, I will give the description and the application link in my video description box so that it is easier for you to apply from there. So I am clicking apply link. It will be redirected to the official website of Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development of Assam page, and you can see here also the notification is given. You can see the pay scale is also given, minimum qualification is also given here, and you are a new candidate, so you need to registration do here. If you are existing user, then you need to log in there. Okay, so you can see the last date is 17th of September. So I am clicking on registration. How to fill the form I am showing you. So this is the sign up form. You need to give your first name, last name, mobile number. If you have middle name, then also provide it. Father's name, mother's name, email ID, date of birth, gender, religion, nationality, caste, any physically challenged person is there or not, category of PWD. These things you need to fill up, and you can see the asterisk symbol beside the field. So those having asterisk symbol, you need to fill all those necessary fields. Okay, so after filling this information, you need to click on submit. Then your registration will be completed. Next, your educational qualification page will become, and after registration you will receive the registration number throughout your mail, and you will receive the admit before the examination through your mail ID. So that's it, my friend. This is the small notification from our side regarding this Panchayat and Government of Assam. So if you want this type of videos, please like my channel and subscribe my channel, so that we can give daily updates to you, and it will easily reach to you when we upload latest notification in our channel. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.